Well, I thought it was time that I posted something. It's been quite a few months since my last posting, and like I really need to start a new project, but I just couldn't resist. This is the brand new 1/35th scale Chariot from Dowling House out of Georgia, and is actually the I guess replacement offering that Moebius had talked about for quite a few years, and unfortunately never produced for whatever reason. Dowling House did do it in styrene rather than resin, which I'm very happy in that respect, because styrene, for me at least, is a lot easier to work with, especially for some of the things that I had planned for this. I mean, the usual is the full lighting, which, let's see, there we go. I've done both the front and rear floods, or spotlights, whatever you want to call them, and I'm doing other things to this kit that the next batch of videos will show. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but yeah, the kit so far has been an easy build. I did have some warpage on this one in the back. The pan or the tub is a little bit warped, and I have to get the attachment between it and the back better aligned, if I can do it without screwing things up. Like always, I get myself too far ahead and then realize, well, it's probably best I do a video update before, again, I get too far along and can't show a lot of what I want to show. But what I have done is I've hogged out this center section here for the electronics to control the lights and control other things that I plan to do with this kit. I think it's a great kit. I am so happy that at least somebody did it, and if it had to be done in anything, I'm so happy it's styrene. I also took this out and put in some photo etched grill, because it just looked a lot more realistic, and but in the scale it's kind of hard to find anything realistic that isn't specifically made for this kit. And I just recently found that somebody at Monsters in Motions are offering some aftermarket kits, but a little bit pricey, especially the shipping. So I decided I could do this all on my own and be satisfied with the end results. So this is just the first video for this particular build, and these bottom floods will be controlled independent of the headlights. The headlights will come on as soon as power is applied to the model. The bottom front and rear floodlights, spotlights, whatever you want to call them, they will be controlled by one of the channels on the remote control, along with the lights on the canopy. Those will also be controlled, I don't have them here, by a second channel in the remote control, and I'll show later why I'm talking about a remote control with this particular build. Right now, I just don't want to get into it until that portion of the build's completed and I've got something more impressive to show. So hope you all have a great holiday. It is Thanksgiving here in the US, and hopefully I'll get this thing posted today, and well, I will see you in the next video. Bye.